Hi, I'm Dr. Aishwarya from Dr. Youth Clinic. For many years, we have treated more than thousands of patients and made them happy with their care. It's a journey of trust, care, and confidence. When we see the problem of hair fall today, one of the biggest concerns we see both men and women is hair loss. For men, hair loss usually progress in 7 stages, and for women, it's usually seen in 3 stages. Recently, one of our patients visited us with a concern about severe hair fall. After examining the stages of hair loss, we suggested PRP treatment as the right solution. The process was safe, comfortable, and effective. Within a few sessions, the patient could see visible improvement and, most importantly, regain confidence. In early stage, treatment like PRP therapy can give you wonderful results. In middle stage, GFC works effectively to strengthen and regrow hair. And in the advanced stage, the best solution is often hair transplant. At Dr. Youth Clinic, we believe in combining advanced technology with the care of an experienced team of doctors. Thank you for trusting us with your skin and hair journey. We are always here whenever you need us.